There are many tools that can be used to evaluate and review projects during the business justification process. Let's look at the different ways of calculating the project value estimation. One of the tools for calculating business value is the return on investment, or ROI. This calculation is used to justify a project by assessing the expected net income to be returned from a project after deducting the costs and then dividing by the total project cost. Using return on investment, the project value is calculated with the following formula. Return on investment is equal to project revenue minus project cost over project cost. So, for example, with a project cost of $2 million to develop and expected financial benefits estimated at $5 million, return on investment is determined as 5 million minus 2 million, all divided by 2 million, which equals 1.5, where return on investment is 1.5 times the initial investment, or 150%. Another tool used in calculating the business value is the net present value, or NPV. This calculation is used to figure out the current net value of future benefits with a presumed interest rate. Net present value is the total expected income from a project divided by 1 plus the discount rate to the power of the length of the life of the product. This is done when we try to decide between two projects. As an example, Project 1 has a net present value of $8,000 and its life cycle is 5 years, while Project 2 has a net present value of $5,000 and its life cycle is 2 years. Project 1 has the highest net present value, as we are considering the present value and not the future value. The internal rate of return, or IRR, is another tool that can be used. This calculation is a discount rate on the investment where present value of cash inflows is made equivalent to the present value of cash outflows for determining a project's rate of return. So let us take this example. Similar to net present value, we're trying to decide which of two projects to take on. Project 3 has an internal rate of return of 5% and will be done in 4 years, while Project 4 has an internal rate of return of 15% and will be done in 2 years. Project 4 is the right one to select because it has a higher internal rate of return, and duration is not being considered because time has already been considered.